rice cake machine SYP4509 CE, titan coated mold, and switch box up there. Alright, it's a normal type, around 8mm thickness. Good. Alright. Okay, this is switch box. It's the temperature. It's present temperature and this is set temperature. You can adjust the set temperature by this button. Set button, and left to right and up and down. And four switches, heater and motor, automatic operation. And manually you can go up the mold and down by this switch. 3 dial controllers. First one is the speed 4.7, thickness 40 as a normal type, and depth of core is a 2.3 as the first setting. And pressure around 150, the black color number. After set or adjust the set pressure, you had better close pressure gauge to use longer. This is the emergency button. Push it, the machine stops. And machine on and off and on, and release it, and on and off, machine start again. And it's a standard cylinder there, and below there it's a pressure support valve to make a stable pressure in long use. 3 cylinder valves to provide electricity to the machine. The light is moving as per the machine movement. Triple phase motor and pump, and oil tank and fan must be on all the time when the machine works. It's white rice and brown rice mix, and it's a feeding plate and base plate. Feeding plate go forward, that rocks sensor, the LED lights turn on, off, and come back to the fully in the end is turn on again. Otherwise you cannot go to the next step. Go forward, turn off, and come back to the end is turn on again. It's a spring, is a feeding plate to bring back, and its drive motor is ahead, is make it feeding plate go forward. Okay, it's oil control valve, check valve, and relief valve. Relief valve is related with the pressure control. Insert related to wrench, and turn clockwise increase pressure, unclockwise decrease pressure. Motor and oil tank. Alright. Okay, and control box here is inverter. It's the value 65. And it's SSR is to make a stable temperature, and breaker and contactor. Relays on PCB. PCB is the brain of this machine, and this is a micro volume. It's change the type, normal and thin to normal. It's a normal type. It can turn to the far right, and for the thin type, turn to far left. You can see the menu above. It's an oil tank, 20 liters of hydraulic oil there. Right.